Mason, the car won't start.
I don't know what to do.
I don't either.
I don't know what.
Is battery dead on it or something?
Hey!
What?
Y'all seriously think the car's gonna start? Got that brand new seatbelt protection programmer? No!
What are you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Every car must have the seatbelt protection program to start up. Put it on.
Mason, put your freaking seatbelt on.
Do I really? Did y'all not know about
Stupid
this?
government making us do it. Hey, Obama.
Now try it.
Heck yeah, boy. We going to town now. Not only will this product be available to everybody,
But it will also keep you safe.
and it's made in America. You know, nothing's better than being made in America. You thought this thing was made in China?
No, Chuck testing. This product is great for ordinary people all around the world.
You don't want to be the only one without it, because you'll end up with a ticket.
Everyone here has it.
It's always better to be safe than sorry.
All day, every day, buy this product today. Get out of my way. Let me say what I've got to say, and